Hey guys, and welcome to another segment of Rowserworld. Glad to have you guys back again today so that I may continue to share the knowledge that God has blessed me with in the area of art. So guys, what I have here today is a quick little reference material. I'm going to go over with you some head shapes, and basically we just have one head shape. I might do two. And we're going to show you how to get a caricature of someone down on paper quickly. Now, I want to caution you that when you are drawing a caricature, okay, that drawing from a photograph reference and drawing live are two different things. Okay, actually, drawing live to me is easier because what happens is number one, I have the freedom of making expressions or whatever that I want. I can capture that person. But when I'm drawing from a photograph, I'm bound by the rules of how this photograph looks. So I have to kind of stay within the same kind of framework as this particular picture. Okay. So just wanted to caution you guys about that. So if you're having trouble with your forward facing caricatures or your caricatures, you want to get reference photos. One of the forward facing, then if you can get a picture of them sideways, sometimes it'll help you out to be able to see different features you can't see when the face is actually turning forward. Okay, so when you see me draw forward pictures, I'm usually ad-libbing a lot of stuff because I don't have a lot of the information, but I usually get pretty close anyway. All right, so let's go ahead guys and get started with our drawing. We're going to start with our basic head shape. So I like to start with the jawline. So if you look at this jawline here, we can see that it takes basically I want to say it has a U type of a shape. So we're going to, just give me a second here. I need to find a sheet of paper that I had here. Let me put that there. Okay. So we'll go ahead and we'll determine where we want the middle of the face to be. So we'll say, okay, this right here is his chin. Okay. So now from here, we'll just connect the U shape. Okay. Now from there, we'll go ahead and we'll connect his sideburns and draw a general roundness of the ear here. And now let's go ahead and just add our face shape here, or our neck shape. And then we're going to actually lead that off into the top of the shape. I'm always staying true to my shapes. In other words, I don't start drawing circles in the middle of squares. So you see how his head is kind of roundish. You'll look here. I'll kind of round off that shape right there. Okay, now let's go ahead and see. I started a little bit high up the page, but I still think I can squeeze it in. So once again, I'm keeping my head shape the same here. Okay, and then I'll just draw my line here. Just like so. Okay. Now let's go ahead and we'll draw kind of our t-shirt here. All right, and now we'll go ahead and start drawing our features. So we'll go with the eyebrow shape here. We want to go basically like so. So I'm looking at it as one basic shape, and you'll see me play with the line densities and stuff like that, but that's only because I've been drawing for a while, so it kind of comes second nature. Now we have his eyes, kind of like, so let's see if we can get these. They're maybe a little tricky, but we're going to try it. So we're going to go with a light line here. Okay, then we're going to go with another line, pretty much the same shape with a light line. Okay, and then I'm just going to draw the eyeball in here and an eyeball here. And I think that came out really kind of close there, so whoa. spookily close. Okay, so we have a kind of thick bridge of the nose here. Okay, and we don't want to make it too short, so and I'm just going to kind of round it off here a little bit. Excuse me, guys. I know that sounded pretty loud at my microphone. All right, and now let's just go ahead and draw the mouth here. So we'll just kind of put the shape here where we want to begin at. So let's just say we want to do something like this. And then I'll just usually bring my shape over. And then we'll go ahead and put our T shape here. Yeah, actually I can just go ahead and draw the bottom shape. So let's do that. I like to use a light line there. And then we're gonna go ahead and we'll draw the teeth here. And it looks like we're just about done here. I'm just going to add a few little indentation lines here just for his dimples. All right, and we got our project down to a science here. So we'll just darken in the eyebrows a little bit. And I'm going to go ahead now and I'm going to start to shade the picture in. So I'll use my gray Crayola here. We'll just make those shapes once again. So just kind of follow along. Almost there, guys. And now let's just go ahead and use our black marker to color in the hair. Okay. And I'm just about done here, guys. Let me just darken in the eye real quick. And there you have it, guys. This is my quick cartoon drawing. I believe his name is actually Simon. So I just did a quick cartoon of him. Hopefully you guys enjoyed my video and tutorial. We'll be posting more videos and tutorials soon. If you like what you saw today, you'd like to have your favorite celebrity drawn and featured on our show, please message us here at the YouTube channel, or just leave us a request at Rowserworld@yahoo.com. I do commission work, so if you ever want me to draw someone in your family, you want to have a whole portrait of everybody all together. Whatever you can conjure up, I can make it look like a cartoon. So it's one of those God-given curses. And you guys have a blessed and wonderful day. Thanks again for watching, and don't forget, guys, to subscribe below. Simon, guys. I think that's his name.